ASEAN Folktale Series, Bilingual Book, The Folktale of Singapore, Badang the Mightiest. Page 2. At Johor City there was a slave named Badang. Every morning he would go to the forest to cut trees for wood. Along the stream, Badang set up a fish trap to catch fish for dinner. Instead of catching many fish in a trap, there were only fish bones and scales remaining. Vocabulary: slave, fish trap, stream, scale. Page 4. The same thing happened the next day. Badang was curious about what had happened. Therefore, he hid himself and found out there was a thief stealing all the fish. The thief turned out to be a giant with red eyes, furry hair, and a long black beard. Angrily, Badang jumped out and grabbed the giant by its beard. Vocabulary: thief, beard. Page 7. The giant screamed with pain, begging Badang to let him go. The giant told Badang he would grant Badang anything he desired, including money, gold, strength, power, and even invisibility. Badang wished for strength, so he would be able to pull the trees out of the ground with one hand in order to finish his work faster. Vocabulary: grant, invisible, strength, scream. Page 9. Badang's boss was pleased with Badang, so the boss gave Badang his freedom. Badang was very well known. The city of Singapore invited him to be a commander-in-chief of the army. Later on, a city of Kalinga sent a challenger to challenge him. The challenge was, whomever threw a rock closest to the sea would win. Vocabulary: commander-in-chief, challenge. Page 11. Later on, the city of Paradi sent Bandarang the Mighty to challenge Badang. The bet was that all the treasure in Paradi's treasure room would be given to Badang if he won. Badang realized Bandarang was bigger than him. Badang thought of a plan to measure Bandarang's strength. Vocabulary: bet, treasure room. Page 13. At the guest welcoming feast, Badang sat close to Bandarang. Bandarang put his feet on Badang's feet with all his strength. Still, Badang could lift Bandarang's feet up easily. Badang did the same thing to Bandarang. But this time, Bandarang could not lift Badang's feet. For this reason, the city of Paradi cancelled the challenge. Since then, no one dared to challenge Badang, the mightiest, ever again. Vocabulary: lift, cancel. Moral lesson: those who do good deeds should be praised.